Hi, my name is Deepak Nelwal. Today we will learn how to change your Instagram personal account into business account. Let's start. Open your Instagram profile. Click on your file section. Go on about three dots. Click on settings. Then click on accounts. Scroll above side. Click on switch to professional account. Now press continue 4 times. Now here you have to choose your industry. As I choose education because my profile and page is related to education. So what you can do, you can choose from below list. You can select your industry. If you not find your industry in this list, you can type on search section. As I am typing education, it will appear into below list. Check it out. Here it is. Now I am clicking on education. Now it's your choice, you want to display it or not. I always prefer to display. Press next. Now you have two choices, choose business or creator. I always prefer to choose creator because if you choose business, it will not give you the confirmation that your account is converted or not. So I always prefer creator. Press next. Now your account is converted into professional account. Now we have to again do the same process. Click on cross. Again click on your profile section, go to settings, go to account, click on scroll above side. Now you have an option switch to business account. When you click on this, it will show you and ask switch to business. Click on this and now your account is converted into business account.